Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing us how to get set up for Adobe Illustrator and doing our first project in Adobe Illustrator called Laser Engraving Your Pencil. Alright, the intro to Illustrator. So we want to go down into our week 7 folder and then we want to click into our assignment. My assignment's not all done being made here because it's kind of in progress, but the part that we're going to do here is in this assignment we're going to program a robot to laser engrave a pencil. The programming portion is going to happen automatically from the design in your Adobe Illustrator document. So the thing you create in your Adobe Illustrator document will be sent over and printed onto your pencil, laser engraved. Start by downloading the pencil template. How we do this is we come in here and we have to click on it. It opens up a preview which won't show you a whole lot. It'll just basically say it can't open it. Every once in a while you see some text in here. Right now I'm not seeing that. What we want to do is we want to find the little download button on our piece here right now, and we want to download this to our machine. And remember, we're not doing this on our Chromebooks. We're going to be back in on our PC in the back of the room, our group's PC. So we want to download the item. After we download it, you should see down in the bar if we're in Chrome. Hopefully we are in Chrome. That little download portion, we want to leave that there, and the next thing we want to do is we want to go to our Google Drive. All right, so what I'm going to do is just kind of go into a new tab and then go to my Google Drive. If you're not logged in, you'll have to log in to your Google Drive. It may take you through Rapid Identity, which is okay. After we go there, why we're here is we want to move that file to save it in our Google Drive. So what we're going to do right away is we're going to come in and we're going to do a new. My computer's thinking here. Really laggy. New, and then file upload. Once we do a file upload in your PC, you're going to want to go on the left hand side over here and you're going to want to find downloads, and then you should see your last item. I'm not sure what view you guys will be in, but your last item should be on top, and that should be pencil template AIT or .AIT, an Adobe Illustrator template. Hit open. Oh, select it, sorry, and hit open. Or double click it, and that uploads it into your drive, right? This is where we're going to be saving it every day as we are updating it, as we're changing the name, as we're putting our files in, or I guess editing our files. And then I already have one here, so it says update existing. I'm just going to keep it separate. All right. Once we're here, the one thing we'd like to do is just make a folder next. And in this folder, we're just going to call it Adobe Illustrator. And what I want to do in that after I create it is I just want to make sure it's shared to my partner. Honestly, any folder will work. The name isn't super important as long as you guys both know where it's going. In here, if I select it and I right click, I can go to share, and this is where I want to share to my partner's name. Once you get there, you want to hit done. And that's all you have to do in this video. Thanks for watching. I hope it helps. Good luck.